Welcome to the Thomas and Friends Games World's Strongest Engine number 114. And today we got two new engines that I reviewed yesterday. It's Mechanic Milo and Beachy Nia. Let's get this competition started with Beachy Nia versus Celebration James. Beachy Nia won for the very first time. Next up, Mechanic Milo versus Freddy. I'm gonna give that to Freddy. No, I meant Milo, actually. Oh, I dropped them on accident. Sorry, Milo. Oh. And now, Wilson 2 versus Neville. Oh yes, and here's the question from everyone. Oh, Wilson. Why did I get a new Wilson? It's because my old one broke at my nan's, so that's why I got a new one. So, finishing up the quarterfinals, 2012 Thomas versus Duchess. Wow, all the movies this week have moved on to the semi-finals. But who will go first? It's Beachy Nia and Wilson. Go. Whoa. Beachy Nia goes on to the finals for the very first time. Who will she face? Mechanic Milo or 2012 Thomas? Go. Mechanic Milo lost. Final round, Beachy Nia versus 2012 Thomas. Beachy Nia is the winner. Well done, Beachy Nia. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.